Welcome to the Transformer Diagnostic Guide, Dissolved Gas Analysis Protocols. This video will walk you through the essential steps for accurate transformer fault diagnosis using DGA. Our objective is clear. DGA acts as a predictive tool. We use it to detect incipient faults, monitor transformer health, locate thermal and electrical faults, and find insulation degradation. Phase 1 is precision sampling. It is critical to extract the oil using clean glass syringes and draw from the bottom valve, preventing air and moisture entry. Wrong sampling leads to wrong diagnoses. Phase 1 continues with laboratory gas extraction. We analyze the oil sample using gas chromatography to extract dissolved gases. This process separates and measures the gases with detectors. Phase 2 involves the gas signature matrix, where specific gases indicate different faults. For example, hydrogen signals partial discharge, while acetylene indicates arcing, a critical fault. Next in Phase 2 is calculating percentages. We isolate methane, ethylene, and acetylene to find the total sum. The individual gas concentration is divided by this total and multiplied by 100 to find the percentage. Phase 3 is the Duval Triangle. By plotting the gas percentages, the intersection point reveals the fault zone. The position of this point equals the fault type, identifying issues like partial discharge or thermal faults. Phase 3 also utilizes advanced interpretation methods. These include the key gas method, the Rogers ratio method, and the IEC ratio method. Best practice combines all these methods for a reliable diagnosis. Phase 4 focuses on trend analysis. Single tests are unreliable, so we track gas growth over time. Rapid increases signal serious faults, while stable high gas requires less urgency. Phase 4 also introduces the escalation matrix. Based on gas growth, conditions range from normal monitoring to critical rapid gas growth requiring emergency action or immediate shutdown for high acetylene levels. Phase 5 focuses on targeted maintenance actions guided by DGA. We address thermal issues by checking loading and cooling, electrical issues by inspecting insulation and bushings, and insulation issues by testing paper, replacing oil, or filtering. Phase 5 concludes with the testing frequency schedule. New transformers are tested annually, critical ones every 3 to 6 months, and suspect units monthly. Online DGA enables continuous monitoring. For expert insights and common pitfalls, we avoid mistakes like ignoring trends, poor sampling, and relying on a single method. DGA reveals patterns. Combine it with load and temperature data for the true transformer condition. The complete diagnostic workflow is a 6-step cycle to secure the asset: sample, test, calculate ratios, plot using the Duval Triangle, analyze the trend, and finally, act by executing targeted maintenance. We protect your assets, and you secure your power. Contact our technical team today for more information.